Everyone, welcome back to FrontendInsight. Today we are going to solve a practical coding problem, finding the unique objects in an array. Okay, so this is useful for removing duplicates in array when working with objects in JavaScript. We will walk through a simple approach step by step. So let's get started. Okay, so the problem we are solving today is to filter out duplicate from an array. For example, we have an input. So this is our input, and we want to get an uh, output like this. Okay. So with only unique objects left. Okay. So uh, let's start by creating a function named getUniqueObject, and that takes an array as its parameter. Okay. So let me write the function name getParameter array. Okay. And we will write our logic here. Okay, so this function will process the array and return an array of unique objects. Okay, so we will use a JavaScript map to help us keep track of unique objects. Map lets us store each unique object using its name as a key. Okay, so let's start. Let unique map new map. The map will allow us to add an object only if hasn't been added before. Okay, so which will help us remove duplicates. Okay, so now we will go through each object in the array using for of loop. Okay, so let me write for of loop. Should be object. This should be our array. Okay, so we'll write our logic to check uniqueness here. Okay, so we will use this loop to check each object and see it's already in our lab map. Okay, so inside the loop we will use the name of each object as a unique identifier or key. Okay, so we will check if the name already exists in unique map. If the name doesn't exist it in unique map, it means it's a unique object, so we will add it. Okay, so we write if unique map dot have name, so unique map dot name comma obj. Okay, so as I said, if the name doesn't exist in unique map, it means a unique object, so we will add it once we are setting it here. Okay, so unique map dot has object dot name checks if the object name is already in the map. Okay, already in the map. Okay, so if it isn't, unique map dot set object dot name object adds a object to our map. Okay, so ensuring only the unique objects are added. Okay, so once we have finished looping through the array, okay, so all the unique objects will be stored in unique map. Okay, it will store in the unique map. I made a mistake here. Let me remove this. I got there. Okay, unique map, and to get them in an array format, we will use the map method dot values, which gives us all the values in the map. So what we will return from unique map dot. So we are returning value. Okay, so this final step converts the map values back into an array, which will be our output. Okay, so let's test our function with our example array. So to see if it is correctly returned only unique object. Okay, so let me console it and let me pass the array with me again. So let's state all first. Okay, so the function should return only the unique objects as expected. So we got the expected output. So we got the expected output. You can see you can see the unique objects in the output. Okay, so here is the complete code for our unique objects finder function. Okay, so this is the complete code. Okay, so and that's it. We successfully created a function to remove duplicates objects from an array using JavaScript. We used a map to keep track of unique objects and then return them as an array. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share, and let me know in the comment what coding challenges you would like to see. Thank you.